There. Let's see how to extract leads from a Sales Navigator search without using Konnector Chrome extension. In your Konnector account, go to the Leads tab, then click on Add Lead List. Go to Sales Navigator, enter a lead list name, paste the Sales Navigator URL here. In order to get the URL, first go to your Sales Navigator. At the top of homepage, you can find the search bar. Type in the criteria for the leads you are looking for. You can search on the basis of job titles, keywords, company, etc. Click on search. You can filter your search by using advanced filters of Sales Navigator. For example, current company, function, seniority level. In order to extract all these 33,000 results, copy the link URL and paste it in your Konnector account. You can import a maximum of 2500 leads for every unique search URL. Click on Submit. You can see that a lead list name leads have already been created in your leads account and all the leads have been populated inside it. You can see all the details of the lead here: premium, non-premium profile, open email, not open email, occupation, company name, location, etc. Thank you.